If Blender is showing a cannot save error with permission denied, don't worry, this is usually a Windows folder access issue and not a problem with your project itself. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it so you can get back to saving your work properly. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Blender tips. Let's jump in. First, close Blender completely, then right-click the Blender icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Blender elevated permission to write files, which often solves save errors right away. If Blender opens and saves normally after that, the issue was likely a permissions restriction from Windows. Next, check your drive space. If the drive you are saving to is completely full, Blender may fail to save even if everything else looks fine. Open File Explorer and make sure your drive has enough free space available. If it is nearly full, delete unnecessary files or save your project to another drive with more room. Now let's check the save location itself. Avoid saving directly to the root of C drive, like C:/. That location can sometimes cause permission problems, especially on restricted Windows setups. Instead, try saving to a normal user folder such as Documents, Desktop, or a dedicated project folder inside your user profile. These locations are usually much easier for Blender to access. If the error still continues, you should check the folder permissions manually. Right-click the folder you are trying to save into, click Properties, then open the Security tab. Here, look for your user account and make sure it has write access, modify access, or full control depending on your system. If your account does not have permission, Blender will not be able to save there. In that case, you may need to choose a different folder or update the folder permissions if you are allowed to do so. Also, if you are working inside a synced folder, external drive, or protected system directory, that can trigger the same error. A simple test is to save the file to your desktop. If that works, the problem is definitely the original folder, not Blender itself. So the key fixes are: run Blender as administrator, make sure your drive is not full, save to a safer folder like Documents or Desktop, and check the folder security permissions if needed. Once you do that, Blender should stop giving you the cannot save permission denied error. If this saved you time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Blender troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.